Bitcoin just pumped from 28k to 30k after Cointelegraph tweeted breaking SEC approves iShares Bitcoin spot ETF, which was a fake news and allegedly a market manipulation from their side, as we're seeing here. Rollbit, the decentralized gambling platform and trading platform, an account with the name Cointelegraph just made $2.25 million from that price action, sending Bitcoin from 28k to 30k and now back to 28k after the news was announced to be fake. So there are a lot of things here, guys. People have been saying that the market has priced in the Bitcoin spot ETF approval. But one thing is sure right now is that it is not priced in. As we can see, the market is hungry for a pump. As of today, we've seen it rally from the news from that 28k, 27k to that 30k and even higher on the futures chart. Now, as of now, guys, Cointelegraph just apologized for what happened. They still did not disclose what actually did happen, but a lot of people now are saying they are the ones behind this account here that just made $2.25 million of that news, and the account under the name Cointelegraph, which is unfortunately sad, guys. Unfortunately, right now the crypto space is still heavily manipulated, and as well it shows that a lot of these crypto accounts, these big crypto accounts on Twitter are starving for money. Their businesses are going down and they need money, and we are seeing this predatory behavior going into the crypto space right now, with only few people left right now in the crypto space, with the liquidity really drying out, Bitcoin not doing much, the crypto space not doing much. We're seeing this predatory behavior with manipulation and whatnot going on here, guys. So they probably needed money, and that's just sad, guys. But we need to keep our emotions aside and try to analyze the situation here. So as I said, a lot of people were saying that the market has priced in the move, or has priced in the Bitcoin spot ETF news, but it seems like it has not priced it in. As we can see, the market was just waiting for any bullish news. They are praying, please give us any bullish news, we wanna buy Bitcoin. So this as well confirms, guys, that we were thinking, guys, that a lot of people have run out of money to buy these levels here. That's why we are being stuck in this range. But the truth is, people with big money are just waiting. They are not sure if it's the right time to get into Bitcoin, and today was the greatest example. So after this tweet now got deleted, we've seen the market rallying, the market going crazy after this news. As you can see, guys, this was a 7% pump on Bitcoin. This is not an altcoin. On Bitcoin, 7%. We haven't seen this kind of price action since back in March early this year, when we've seen Bitcoin rallying. So the market still has liquidity, the market still has money to go. Investors are still on the sidelines. They're still not sure if they want to jump into the markets or not. This here shows us that once we get the real Bitcoin ETF approved, we're gonna see some massive rally. And that's what I've been saying here, guys, on my channel. I've been saying that once this gonna be approved, it's gonna be a bit too late for everyone here. It's gonna just rally hard. It's not gonna stop. We're gonna see Bitcoin going to that 50k in 2-3 daily candles. It's not gonna stop, and a lot of people are gonna miss. So after what happened today, guys, it's pretty clear right now a lot of people are watching what's happening here, and this just solidify this support, that 25k support. Right now, guys, if we do get that dip, a lot of people right now got a little teaser of what's gonna happen once the Bitcoin ETF gets approved. And I do not think any dips right now here are gonna be taken lightly. A lot of people are gonna want to jump right back in. And I'm telling you, guys, I've told in my previous videos, I told you, it's time to start DCAing in the crypto space. Not financial advice, but for me personally, I've started and I'm gonna keep accumulating, because sooner or later this Bitcoin ETF gonna get approved, and all these excuses that the market does not have liquidity, people run out of money to buy, are just excuses. As we've seen today, people do actually have money to buy today. We can see that the money is sitting on the sidelines waiting for any good news to send the markets higher. So you guys wanna keep an eye on this, guys. Don't get fooled with the news that we have a recession next year, we have this coming. They are trying to shake us out, and we can see how a news that people did not give a second thought about, they straight up jumped onto conclusions, and they started buying Bitcoin. They did not for a second doubt the news or ask for any links to the SEC website. And the SEC does have a website, and they report everything there, and nobody for a second thought to go check the website, and everyone jumped on that. And I was looking at the charts, guys, and on that I was day trading on that 5-minute candle, and I couldn't see the ceiling. The green candles were skyrocketing, going up and up and up, and didn't stop. That's a teaser of what's gonna happen here next, guys. One day you wake up and this thing is around 30k, and you think you're gonna wait for a dip, and it's not gonna dip, not gonna stop until we are at 50k. And this, as we're here today, guys, just solidifies, as I said, it solidifies now this floor price of around 25k for Bitcoin. This price right now here is getting stronger, as now people seeing this, they are gonna be waiting to fill up their bags. They're not gonna try to play smart and wait for any news right now, guys. A lot of people are gonna start slowly changing their minds, and we're slowly gonna change from that fear towards greed, as the market is gonna start to wanna price in the Bitcoin ETF, because right now today we got a taste of what could happen in the future. So as I said, guys, don't get shaked, don't get faked, don't get shaked out of your bags, don't get sidelined here, guys, because once the rallies will start, it's gonna be a non-stop rally. As you can see here, the bull markets do not wait for nobody, guys. They do not wait. Look at that previous bull market. Once we broke out, there were no dips. There were no dips. We pumped from here to here. We pumped 50%, and we had a little dip here. And people back then were waiting for a longer retrace and were calling for tops around that 15k, 17k. And we got a 14% dip, and then non-stop again, we went up again another 100%. As you can see, guys, probably people back then here were saying, oh, we're gonna wait for these levels here, we're gonna wait for 10k and then we can buy again, but it did not happen. So guys, that's what you want to keep in mind. A lot of people are bearish right now, so you don't want to be bearish. A lot of shorts got liquidated today, up to $60 million in liquidations today after this tweet happened, guys. That shows a lot of people are on the wrong side of the market. A lot of people are on the wrong side of the market trying to short, and that's not good. That shows, guys, that a lot of people are in disbelief. A lot of people are thinking Bitcoin going lower, so you don't want to be among most people. You want to be against most people in this markets to make money. So that's my take here, guys, on what happened here with this news, why Bitcoin pumped and dumped like that. And we're gonna keep looking at what's gonna happen here with Cointelegraph. Probably now, guys, one more thing here is, after this, right now the SEC have a legit reason to delay the Bitcoin spot ETF. They do have a legit reason, because one of the reasons they did delay the Bitcoin ETF and they did not accept one back in 2017 is that they were saying the Bitcoin is heavily manipulated. There is a lot of wash trading and pump and dumps and whatnot. So that was one of the reasons they rejected it back in 2017, and again they delayed it now, guys. So probably we're gonna get it delayed again. So next month we're expecting to hear more from the SEC on their Bitcoin spot ETF. Probably it's gonna get delayed, guys. So you want to take this opportunity, guys. That's what I am doing. The longer we range here, guys, the more I'm gonna accumulate. That's the point, guys. The thing we want to pray for here is that for those that are still sidelined, is that we accumulate a little bit longer here. This as well would mean that we're gonna have a strong support, and the breakout would be a real breakout from here. Because if we just rally from here now, guys, a lot of people are sidelines and they're gonna buy higher. That's the point here, guys. As for Cointelegraph here, guys, probably they are gonna lose a lot of credibility after what happened now here. Probably they're gonna have some lawsuits against them. Very, very probable that could happen. And they as well just gave the SEC the perfect reason to delay again the decision about the Bitcoin ETF. As I said, guys, my opinion still stands. I do think 25k here is a good support for Bitcoin here, and we're gonna break from that range sooner or later. We're gonna break up, and a lot of people are gonna be sidelined. So as usual, guys, I will keep you updated with whatever is happening here in the crypto space. If you enjoy this type of videos, please leave a like and subscribe for future updates. And if you are trading derivatives, looking for an exchange that does not require KYC nor using a VPN, you can check out FairDesk. And currently there is a competition with 1.8 million USDT for grabs for the winners, as well as 4,000 daily bonuses for top 10 traders if you are winning. You can trade most of the altcoins here, guys. That's the exchange I'm using right now since Bybit rolling out of a lot of countries mandating that KYC. So that's the exchange I'm using. You as well get a $35,000 bonus on your deposit, and by using my link you get as well a VIP 5, which means your trading fees get drastically reduced compared to other exchanges. So if you're interested, I'll leave you the link in the description. You can as well copy my trades, follow my trades here. I'm a day trader here. You can copy my trades, make some gains passively. So again, guys, I want to thank you for watching this video, and remember, this is my humble opinion. Nothing is financial advice, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.